Namaste, I'm Dr. Aparna Shukla and I'm going to lead you through this series of mastering yoga asanas, learning simple yoga asanas for your daily yoga practice. And we learned Tadasana in our first episode. If you haven't watched that, please go back and watch Tadasana because you're going to need that for this practice that you're going to do today with Vrikshasana. So we will learn Vrikshasana or tree pose. Vriksha means tree. Asana is posture. So tree pose looks very simple at the outset. You think it is a simple balancing posture and I can do it. It doesn't matter. But it doesn't work like that. If you want to do it properly, follow these steps and understand the benefits and common mistakes. So today we are going to explore tree pose or Vrikshasana. So to practice Vrikshasana, you will first stand in Tadasana. So placing your weight equally on the heel, base of the big toe, base of the little toe, standing tall, pulling the belly button slightly in and both arms on the side of the body. While you are in Tadasana, now you can slowly lift your left foot off the ground. And for very beginners who have never done this before, just simply rest your foot at the opposite ankle. Or you may place your foot on the calf. Or you can gently place your foot for advanced practitioner on your thigh. Now here you can see that you should never place your foot on the knee. If you place the foot on the knee, that's a big mistake. Knee is not a joint that can take any weight like this. So if you feel wobbly in the pose, it's okay to just simply go in and out of the posture. Trees move and movement is okay. So let's begin. Stand in Tadasana. Lift your left foot and place it on your ankle, calf or thigh. Make sure that your standing leg is completely straight and your foot and your standing leg's thigh are pressing against each other to create the stability. Pull your belly button slightly in. You may bring your hands in Anjali Mudra, and as you can see, if you feel wobbly, just simply come back and bring hands to Anjali Mudra. If you feel okay like trees branches, you may raise your arms up overhead. Your drishti or your gaze is very important for balance. If you look around the room, that's a mistake. You will not keep the balance. If your mind is very busy and running thoughts, you will not be able to stand in Vrikshasana. For advanced practitioners, you can even close your eyes if that feels okay for you. Then slowly lower your arms, bring your leg down and stand back in Tadasana. In yoga, whatever we do on one side, we always repeat on other side. So let's stand in Tadasana, lift our right foot, place it either on left heel or left calf or left thigh. Raise your both arms. Fix your gaze. Feel what Patanjali says is Thiram Sukham Asanam. Do I feel stable? Do I feel a little bit wobbly, but I'm not too bad? Do I feel pleasantness in the pose? Do I feel shaky in the pose? And that's okay to feel shaky. You can also do this against the wall if you are a beginner. So with Vrikshasana, you are going to help the arch of the foot. This is really good for people who have flat feet. And this will strengthen your legs, your calf, your quadriceps and your glutes. So keep practicing Vrikshasana if you want stronger legs. Namaste.